Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna bring you to the world of Harry Potter. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. This is the iconic express steam train that carries students of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft. Now let's walk through the enchanted village of the wizards. Inside the village, there are many shops where you can buy souvenir items. One of the popular drinks in the wizarding world is the butter beer. You have to try this drink. Let's step inside a small dusty shop where you can see and buy lots of magical wands.
Lovely ladies of the Mercantile Academy of Magic!
Now let's explore the mysteries of Hogwarts Castle. Inside the castle, you can see lots of moving portraits. One of the things you absolutely must do is to go to the Forbidden Journey ride. From the moment you step through the gates, you can feel as though you have been transported right into the Hogwarts